Okay, so now we want to handle the negotiation and the management of all the documents for a load. So what we can do through the platform is once we've chosen a load, we've gone through the booking assistance and called the broker and established a rate, and they've asked us for the documents so that we can move forward with booking this load. Now we want to bring this into our load document management system. And to do that, you have to add the load to a route. And we'll get into creating routes in another video, but for the sake of this one, I'm just going to create a new route here, straight from the load. Click create, and now that I have that route, I can add this load to that route. And now it's going to take me to the route planner management system. But what I want to do is straight from here, for this load that I've booked with the broker, I want to get into the document section. So I click on documents here on the right. And now I'm in the document management portal for this specific load. And here, instead of using an email chain to do all the back and forth with all the documents for every load and try to understand at any given point where this load sits in the process of document exchange and invoicing and payment, things like that, you can manage all of that right here. So you can have all of your carrier packet documents uploaded, and you can, for new brokers, submit a request for a broker carrier agreement. And so what will happen, I'm going to change this email address for the sake of this example to an email that I have access to. And now I'm going to request the carrier broker agreement. And now what you see here on the right is a log of every activity that has happened in the management of this load. So it says that you requested a carrier broker agreement. And now if I go to the email for that broker, I see an email from efRouting that this user of efRouting is asking for a carrier agreement for this load. And now I can opt to upload the document, where it's going to take me into a similar load management view where I can review the documents that have been submitted by the carrier. And in this case, I can decide that I looked at the insurance and I don't like it. Your insurance is out of date. I'm going to send that off. Okay. So now, back on your view, you now see the problem has shown up from the broker that they saw your insurance is out of date. So you see that that step happened, and now you need to fix your insurance document and request again. And once they approve that, they'll get another email and they can approve or deny. So let's just practice resubmitting. So we need to recycle this one with a different document. And now we can request the carrier agreement again. They're going to get a new email. And now they can review those documents. And now they approve. And so after they've approved, now you see that your carrier agreement has been requested, and now it's time to sign that agreement. So what you'll want to do now is, well, where's the document? Hey, this is broken. How did we miss this? It's broken. It's not broken. It's not broken. Okay. So they can approve your documents, and then now it's their time to upload the broker carrier agreement that they want you to sign. So they send that off. That's uploaded, it's being sent, and now you go back to your view and you can see that there's a document for you to download and to sign. And once you've signed that, you can upload that here, and then you can move forward with the next step in the process. So now that's all set up. So now you have the full packet to send to the broker with the carrier broker agreement, all those documents. They now have that. And then after the broker reviews the document that you've signed, and they approve, then the next step of the process is to get to the rate confirmation. And you handle the same process that way. And then same thing, you upload your bill of lading, and finally you have your invoice, your rate confirmation, and your bill of lading that you can then send off to the broker or to the factoring service that you use to get paid. You'll have a full log of everything that happened between the broker and the carrier for that load, and you can keep this history in your portal at all times. And then in the next video, I'll show you how we manage creating different routes and managing the entire operational decisions for a complete route down to every load that you take.